Hi, everyone. Welcome for your Wednesday expedition work. We are completing our final product for our slam poetry of tree inspired poems. So, today, basically, what we're doing is we're building on the work that we did yesterday. So, we've been working on creating these inspired poems based on the category that your group was assigned. Yesterday, you should have completed your first draft. And today, what you'll be doing is you'll be editing your first draft and trying to complete your second draft. Part of this process is making sure that you are creating the best piece of work that you possibly can. With that being said, as you can see, the schedule isn't too different from yesterday. The biggest difference is a shift in perspective of what we're working on, right? Today I want you to reread the first draft of your poem that you completed yesterday and look for opportunities to make it better. Are there types of figurative language that you can use that you didn't use? Could you add more descriptive language to make it a little bit more vibrant for your reader? Then you'll also need to edit that first draft. So look for spelling errors that might be there. Make sure that you capitalized everything that needs to be capitalized, like the start of every sentence and proper nouns. And did you use all punctuation correctly? Are commas, periods, exclamation points, question marks, quotation marks, are all of those where they need to be? And then write your second draft. If you have time, this is a great chance to start working on the performance of your poetry. Now, remember, this is where you get to be really creative. You can sing with your poem, you can dance with your poem, you can play an instrument with your poem. That's what slam poetry is all about. So, remember those examples that we had linked in, they're still in this lesson. So, if you want to rewatch those for inspiration, feel free to. Then at 2:20, you'll get in your groups for just 10 minutes today. Um, and today you're basically doing the same thing you did yesterday, except for a new person should be presenting their work for feedback. So obviously go over your group norms so that you can make sure that that's always in the forefront of your mind, and make sure that when you're giving feedback that it is kind and specific. For those of you who haven't shared your poem yet and that are sharing today, and today should be the last day, everybody should have shared their poem by the end of your time together today. Um, Make sure that you are telling your group what style of poem you chose to write and what the title of your poem is. And if you have anything in particular that you want feedback on with your poem, then ask them for feedback. Like, say, I'm thinking that I could add some more descriptive language, but I'm feeling stuck. Do you have any ideas for words that would make my poem flow better? So feel free to ask for specific feedback as well. So that is it for your expedition work today. And I'm really, really excited to see these Sam poetry performances. So I will see you at Closing Circle.